Hello there. As discussed in the video for back coat sealer, we have leveled the cement, grout and have applied back coat sealer on the bottom surface of the stone slabs. Now let's proceed to the next step. Problem: the stone slabs need to be stuck together in place, with their cracks and joints being filled up and corners and edges being modeled out. Solution: Excel Glue Max Mastic Adhesive, Thassos L Special Transparent and Crystal Solid Gold. They are used for bonding, crack and joint filling and modeling corners and edges of stone surfaces. Mastic is used for regular stone surfaces. In case of installation of colored regular stones, we can add resin-based coloring pigment to the mastic. Thassos Transparent L Special is used for all white stones. For colored stones, epoxy-based pigment can be added to it. Crystal Solid Gold is used for yellowish-colored stones. After application, we have to do number 1 grinding and number 2 grinding on the surface. Next product in the sequence is epoxy 2+1. Thank you.